Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a haul. I have been talking over the past few videos that I need to replace makeup, I need to buy new makeup, I need to buy new skincare. Well, today I am here to share with you all the things that I have gotten in PR and I have also gone to purchase with my money. So we have a haul. I love hauls. I love going out to shop and I love actually watching haul videos because I love to see what people actually buy or what people actually get. I have skincare from L'Occitane, I have makeup products, I have body products as well. So I have a good mix of products to share with you guys today. Before we begin with today's video, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love for you guys to join the Deola Adebiyi family here on the internet. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll always get notifications of new videos whenever I upload. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. The first thing we're going to start off with is skincare. I got a beautiful PR package from L'Occitane and they sent over some of their greatest hits. L'Occitane is a French luxury skincare brand and they are here in Nigeria. They actually have two stores. They have one in Nouvelle Mall and they have one in Ikeja City Mall. L'Occitane is known for using a natural products in their skincare products. So none of those bad preservatives, none of those bad things. Everything that is in a product from L'Occitane is actually heavily researched and heavily backed by science, and they're also known for being on the cutting edge of anti-aging products. So I have 5 beautiful products here and I've been using mostly 4 out of the 5 and I'll explain why. The first thing I'm going to show you is the Privion Pure. I don't speak French, so if I mispronounce words, I'm very sorry. This is the Privion Pure Perfecting Purifying Foam. It is a foam cleanser from L'Occitane and this is from their Perfecting Purifying range. They have different ranges of skincare items for different problems. So they have an anti-aging range, they have a dry skin range, and this is from their purifying range, which is really good for people that have oily skin or for people that are they suffer from acne a lot. This helps to purify your pores, to clean out any of the dirt or chemicals or anything in your skin. It isn't a stripping cleanser, which is why I really like it, because it really just cleans the skin without over drying it out. If you have oily skin, you will know, or I have said it before, that if you use products that dry out your skin, your face will try and overcompensate by creating more oil. So it's always great to use a cleanser like this that doesn't strip your skin but instead cleans it enough for you to have a normal pH balance. This cleanser is just 5,800 naira and I think it's absolutely worth it because it's a really nice cleanser, cleans the skin, and I've talked all about it. So let me just move on to the next thing. The next thing that I've actually been loving and using is the Privon Sublime with Peony Extract Perfecting Toner. It is from the same purifying range as the cleansing foam. This is a true toner. It's a true cleansing toner. It's not one of those toners that has acid or anything like that. It is a toner that helps to finish up the cleansing process. So when you apply it on a cotton wool or a cotton pad or a silk sheet or whatever you use to like apply your toner, it really helps to clean out the rest of your face and the rest of your pores. It's not all the time that your cleanser or your coconut oil, whatever oil you're using or product you're using, really cleans out the skin. What I really like is that no matter what I will use to wash my face, this toner is always able to remove all of the remaining dirt and anything. Like every time I use this, no matter how clean I think my face is, it always comes out like with dirt on it, which I think is really good. It cleanses the skin but it doesn't strip it, which is very, very important for people like us with oily combination skin. This toner is just 5,100 naira, so it's very affordable, it's good for you, and it's actually a luxury brand. So being able to get a luxury product like this for just 5,100 naira I think is a great steal in my opinion. The next thing, and probably my favorite thing that I have been using from the L'Occitane brand, is the Immortal Reset oil in serum. So basically this is a serum that has oil, little oil beads. I don't know if you can see, but these are the little oil beads inside the serum, and this is a replenishing serum that you can use at night. Even though it's a reset, an overnight reset serum, I still use it before I do my makeup during the day and even as I remove my makeup at night. This is very good if you're already looking into anti-aging products. So this is not a serum that has vitamin C or anything to help with hyperpigmentation, but this is a serum that helps with fine lines and wrinkles. And I have noticed ever since I've started using this serum that the lines on my face, like around my eyes and around my mouth, have really like they've not gone away, but it actually looks better. What I also like about that, it contains an oil that really sinks nicely into the skin, so it's not like a greasy serum that sits on top of the skin. It actually is really nice and light and absorbs really nicely into the skin. It is actually like a fave of mine, and I wasn't really sure when I tried it out that, oh my god, I've never used an oil in serum product, but this actually like blew me away, and it's absolutely like, out of everything I've been using from L'Occitane, this is actually my favorite product. And this is 16,800. I think serums are worth splurging on because they actually target specific problems, and with the way this is working right now, I can say that it's actually worth it. The next thing I've actually been using is the Precious Eye Balm. You guys know me and you know my dry under eyes. I need a really good eye cream to help me with my dry under eyes, and I can say that this has actually been helping me with my dry under eyes. It basically does what it says it does. It's an eye balm. It deeply nourishes the skin around and under your eyes. It absorbs really quickly, which is what I like, because some eye creams just sit on top of your skin before they get absorbed. This one, as soon as you start to pat it in, it actually sinks into the skin. Your eyes look nice, refreshed, and glowy. In fact, this whole range makes your face look like nice and glowy. This one is 17,800. It's an eye cream. Eye creams are always a little bit more expensive. You don't finish eye creams. You don't even use a lot of an eye cream at once. An eye cream is something that you can use for like about 6 to 7 to 8 months without replacing it. So it's one of those investments that you pay and you use it for a pretty long time before you replace it. The last but not the least thing that I've gotten from L'Occitane is the Reneige Blanche cream. This is actually one of the products I haven't been using, and I'll explain why. I have recently gotten into using body oils instead of like using lotions and creams on my skin, and when I received this, I was already using a body oil, and I don't want to mess up my skin. If does it make sense? Does it make sense? Yes, it makes sense. I don't want to use an oil and then use a cream and then use an oil, because my skin is kind of going through, my body, the skin on my body I mean, is going through a lot right now. This cream is mostly for people that have hyperpigmentation on their body. So if you're somebody that has like spots from like scars, or if you have acne spots maybe on your back or on your hands, because people get acne in different places. You only don't get pimples on your face, you can get pimples on your neck and on your chest and on your back. And if you're left with those scars, like acne scars, if you have hyperpigmentation, or if you're like me and you're a troublesome kid and you have scars all over your leg because you kept on climbing trees and falling down, this would help you, because this helps with hyperpigmentation and it helps to even out your skin tone. So this body cream is 11,800 naira. I love the way it smells. It smells very fresh. It smells very, you know, very nice. It smells like a nice body cream, and this is what it looks like on the skin. It's deeply nourishing. I have used it, but I don't use it a lot because again, I'm using oils right now. It's deeply nourishing, really hydrates the skin. This is what it looks like. Really nice and hydrating. Alright, we're done with the L'Occitane products. Let's move on to the other products that I have gotten myself. Because we ended on a body care product, let me go into another body care product. I recently got the Hibiscus Naturals Citrus and Mint Shower Gel. I'm always looking for interesting shower gels to use, and I got this one at a supermarket. Did I get it at Spa or ShopRite? I got this. It was a buy one get one free, so I bought one and I'm giving this one to Coco, and I've been using it and I like it. It smells very nice. It does the job. It cleans my body. Basically, it does what it says it does on the bottle, to be honest. I also replenished my makeup wipes. This is the Beauty Formulas Tea Tree Cleansing Makeup Wipes. This is really good if you have acne prone or blemished skin, because tea tree oil is very good for cleaning out your pores and cleaning out, you know, any of the dirty. It also helps with preventing acne and pimples. So I always use these wipes. I either use the tea tree version or I use the argan oil version, but my favorite version is the tea tree wipes one. So I had to get some more because I miss using wipes. It's not all the time I want to use coconut oil to wipe off my makeup. Sometimes I just want to use wipes. Also from Beauty Formulas is the Activated Charcoal Detox Cleanser. You guys know this is one of my favorite cleansers. It's soon being usurped by the L'Occitane Purifying Foam Cleanser, but I still love this one. It does a great job at cleaning my skin without stripping it away. Makeup wise, I have been talking about how I need a new primer. Once my Zaron primer finished, I decided I was not going to buy another Zaron primer again. So I was already doing research and looking into other primers that are silicone primers but are not so silicone-y that it feels like a silicone primer. And I actually went to go and buy the opposite. I bought another silicone primer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. It is a silicone primer to the, like, it's an actual silicone primer. So when you feel it, it like has that silicone, that smooth feeling. And I actually like this primer because it actually fills my pores and makes it look like, it makes my skin look very, very neat and very, very clear. So far so good. I don't have any complaints at all. I wish I could get a bigger version because I feel like 4,000 naira for this small tube is going to finish very, very quickly. But again, I don't use a lot of primer. I just use it on my nose and on my cheeks. So I feel like I'll be able to take this, like, I'll be able to use this for a while. And last but not the least product that I got is the Sheer Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is absolutely my favorite leave-in conditioning cream for my hair. Right now my hair looks like a mess, and it's because I'm actually tired of my hair. So excuse whatever it looks like. But I really love using this product whenever I have my hair in twists or curls, or even if when it looks like this. This product really reconditions and really hydrates my hair, and I really love using it, especially on days like my hair looks like this. I can just take a little bit of it, fluff up my hair, and my hair looks good, looks nice. It looks alright guys, that is it for the video. Yes, it's a kind of short, small haul, but it's a necessary haul. I was able to replace the products that I really needed to replace, and these products so far are doing me very, very well, and I love them so much. If you are interested in getting any of the L'Occitane products, do not forget that you can check out their store at Novaire Mall, which is in Shangotedo. So if you're on the other side of Lagos, you can go to Shangotedo, go to their store. They will do like a face consultation for you. They'll sit you down, they'll talk you through the entire product range and everything like that. Or if you are on the mainland, you can go to Ikeja City Mall, where you can also go to their store and they will do the same thing for you. They'll sit you down, talk you through your skin and all that kind of stuff, and recommend products for you to use. Again, they have a great range of products. This is from their purifying line, this is from their whitening line, and this is from their anti-aging line. And they also have eye creams, they have hand creams. They have a really, really great range of products. If you're interested in checking them out, don't forget you can go to their Shangotedo Mall store, or you can go to their Ikeja City Mall store. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!